Hey, Luisa. So that was obviously a very close game against UST last time. Ano yung ginawa niyong iba para ma-pull out niyo yung victory na yun in 5 sets?
Ano po, nagkapit lang kami. Tapos yung sa depensa namin, hindi namin pinakawalan. Lalo na yung mga palo nila Ortiz na check ball. Tapos ano po, coverage kasi malalaki sila. So kailangan namin mag-focus sa coverage namin.
Thank you very much. That was Luisa Zapanta of the Adamson Lady Falcons.
Thank you, Victor. Dabawenya.
Well,
Si Mayet Zapanta.
interesting what Zapanta said. You know, the key to their victory was that pati yung pa-check ball na palo ng UST hinahabol nila. So that just means that they're defending not only inbounds, yung loob ng court, but also the outside because they consider part of the offense of the other teams is yung pa-check ball. So that's hard work for them, but they accept that that's how the game is played right
Yes,
now, and
yes.
they have made the adjustment. So ganun kasipag tong Adamson dumepensa. Pati yung outside, basta tumama sa kamay, hahabulin nila.
Well, again, kahit na anong material ni Coach Dulce Pante, yung depensa na yan, yung floor, lalo na yung floor. And they've never had,
Yeah.
at least in the last 3 or 4 years, Ian, that we've been covering, si Paul Soriano na yung pinakamatangkad na nakita nating player nila.
Ito.
Diba?
Ito, that's true.
And so they haven't had the material to become
Imagine.
great blockers. So yung kanilang floor defense talagang bumubuhay sa kanila. And then they've had athletic attackers in
Yes.
Penting.
Yes, yes.
Dati si Semana, nandiyan pa dati. Kanilang center. Pakinggan muna natin ang UE.
Yun ang targetin mo. Tama yung ginagawa mo. Tinatarget mo lang ibabaw. Huwag tayo magdiin ng bola. Okay? Kapag ang bola natin pinaabot natin hanggang dito, dipensado nila yan eh. Uulitin natin, di ba? Sabi nga ni Coach George, eto tatargetin natin tapos eto. Okay? Kung di natin kayang ilabas yung bola, dito natin sila papatayin sa side na to eh. Check ball palabas natin. Check ball palabas natin. Hindi papunta rito. Yan. Pilitin mo sila na yung spiker mo.
What'd you take from that timeout?
Well, great timeout because it was very specific, very clear. All they want is to remind the girls that they have practiced and they have set target zones for them to place the attack. So, wag lang kalimutan yun because tanggap nila pagka tinapon mo lang ng madali going to the different corners, siguradong masasalo eh. Hindi depensa ng Adamson. So, you wanna target the middle. Number 1, number 2 is hit it off the block, or if you have a clear lane down the line, you can also choose that as an option. So, very clearly the offense of UE adjusting to the tight defense of Adamson.
That's a great combination play by Sheila Pineda, but just a little wide again
Taas
on the attack. Oh, pero yun, mataas talaga.
Tingin ko mataas pa ito tumalon sa akin. Sheila Pineda.
Lalo na ngayon siguro.
Ay, sigurado. Hindi siguro. Sigurado. Baka pati sa'yo din.
No, siguro, hindi na nga ako sasali sa usapan dyan. Oh, Pineda saving that one. Oh, and a point again for UE, who have tightened up this match. 17 serving 18.
Nice timeout. Down by 2.
Oo nga.
By 3, I mean. Now you're only down by 1. Zapanta had her eyes on the ball all of the time, but she thought someone else was going to pick it up. Nice serve.
That's the third touch, so it's a free ball. Cross court. Zapanta takes it. Pineda again.
Nice set.
Nebrida. Long.
So Nebrida likes it a bit further away from the net. So that one was a bit close. She had no room to work with.
19 serving 17 now. This is Guevara. Oh, aided by the net.
There you go.
Nebrida, check ball.
Better set for Nebrida. Better distance from the net.
Gamit na gamit itong si Nebrida kay Coach
Yeah.
Boy, ano?
Look at that form, see?
Shiza Nebrida. Produkto rin ng UE High School. As Makatuno goes to Pineda. There's communication there. Rosale. That's Bulan. That's out.
No touch from the block. It hit the net. Timeout side.
20 serving 18 now. From the Rizal Technology University, originally Sheila Pineda. Bulan again. Great reactionary dig by Pineda.
Wow, I thought that ball was already...
Hit?
Yeah, it hit the floor.
Zapanta. Brida. Masangkay. Back to Bulan. Mababa. Galit si Coach Boy.
Yeah, Bulan had was so indecisive in her approach.
Isa pa yan, ha? Coach Idok, napakaliit din yan si Bulan. Pero,
That's true.
ito mo naman, ang height niya compared to, let's say, si Rosale or si Jimberly.
And Coach Boy Dalisan is...
Naangal ba niya yung kay
yeah,
Pineda kanina?
because the linesman already pointed
Ganon.
the flag down. So
Yun ang masakit niyan dahil dalawang sunod na puntos,
that's
no?
true. And our referees failed to see that, but nevertheless, ball was in play. So
Mabigat
you
yun,
gotta
ha?
live with that.
Oh, two-point swing, ano? Pineda with a great serve. Bulan, free ball for Adamson. Makatuno goes wide to Zapanta. Oy, naharangan. Box out.
Napanggaling. Box out.
Mali nga lang yung sport. Pakinggan muna natin si Coach Boy. This is not going to be pretty because he's still complaining about the fact that
Yeah.
God, the line judge.
Already pointed that it was a
Laban natin.
dead ball.
Sana kung laki ng lamang sa amin, okay na. Tumingis na nga yung line judge. Tumingis na nga yung line judge.
Sabi yan, we can hear.
Hinga lang, hinga malalim.
Hey!
Sige, come on, let's go. Hindi ka layuan yung score sa atin yan. Ilan laban yan? 5. 5. Let's go.
Let's go, guys!
A timeout, obviously, to halt momentum of Adamson and to give an earful
Yeah.
to our referees. Ito yung kaninang miscommunication ni Masangkay at ni Dizon.
That's right. Two things I see wrong about that replay. Number one, it's the wrong sport. Number two, it's her own teammate that she
Oh! Katinginan!
Service is there.
Mabigat yung kanina na yon dahil mula noon hindi pa nakascoring yung Kaya galit na galit si Coach Boy. Sabi nga niya, narinig nyo, sabi niya, buti sana kung tamba kami.
Oo,
Dahil hindi
dikitan
yung laban.
1 point difference.
Bulan. Naibalik. Set point tayo dito. An easy take for Zapanta. Back set to
Ooh.
Soriano and she puts it away. And that first set goes to the Lady Falcons. Coach Boy is livid at the sideline, not at that point, but at the turn of events a while ago.
That's right. But Soriano with a great kill to end that first set.
Ang ganda no set din ni Makatuno. 25-18. Back in a moment.